Welcome to Chittoor. This vibrant city, nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, India, is a place where tradition meets modernity. From its bustling markets to its serene temples, Chittoor offers a unique blend of experiences that captivate every visitor. This lively city is in Andhra Pradesh, India. Located in the southeastern part of the state, Chittoor is a gateway to many cultural and natural wonders. Its strategic location makes it a significant hub for trade and tourism. It's known for its rich culture, and it's a big farming centre. Agriculture is the backbone of Chittoor's economy, with vast fields of sugarcane, groundnuts, and mangoes stretching as far as the eye can see. The local festivals, filled with music, dance, and traditional attire, reflect the vibrant cultural heritage of the region. It's also an important place for religion. The city is dotted with ancient temples and religious sites that attract pilgrims from all over the country. The famous Kanipakam Vinayaka temple and the historic Tirupati temple are just a short drive away, making Chittoor a spiritual haven. Come with us as we explore this amazing city. From its historical landmarks to its bustling streets, Chittoor has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, you'll find plenty to see and do here. Chittoor is in the southeastern part of Andhra Pradesh, close to Tamil Nadu. This proximity to the neighbouring state adds to its cultural diversity, with influences from both Andhra and Tamil traditions evident in the local cuisine, language and festivals. Amaravati, the state capital, is about 160 kilometers away. This makes Chittoor an accessible destination for those looking to explore the broader region of Andhra Pradesh. Chennai, a big city, is about 70 kilometers away. This close proximity to a major metropolitan area provides residents and visitors with easy access to urban amenities, while still enjoying the charm of a smaller city. The weather here is mostly hot and dry. Summers can be quite intense, with temperatures often soaring above 40 degrees Celsius. It's essential to stay hydrated and take precautions against the heat. Summers are hot, the monsoon season brings some rain, and winters are mild. The monsoon season, which lasts from June to September, provides much-needed relief from the summer heat and rejuvenates the agricultural fields. Winters are pleasant, making it an ideal time to visit. The land around Chittoor is varied. From lush green fields to rocky terrains, the diverse landscape offers a picturesque setting for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. There are rough areas and hills on the western side. These hills not only add to the scenic beauty of the region, but also provide opportunities for trekking and adventure activities. This mix of land and weather shapes life in Chittoor. The daily routines, agricultural practices, and even the local cuisine are all influenced by the unique geographical and climatic conditions of the region. From ancient times to today, Chittoor has always been special to Andhra Pradesh. Its rich history is evident in the numerous monuments and landmarks that dot the city, each telling the story of its glorious past. Join us as we delve deeper into the heart of Chittoor and uncover its many treasures. Chittoor has a long and interesting history. This city, located in the southeastern part of India, is a treasure trove of historical events and cultural heritage. From ancient times to the present day, Chittoor has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the blending of traditions. It goes way back to ancient times. Archaeological evidence suggests that the region was inhabited by early human settlers, who left behind a rich legacy of artifacts and ruins. These ancient remnants provide a glimpse into the lives of the people who once called this place home. The area was once part of the powerful Chola dynasty, one of the longest ruling dynasties in South Indian history. The Cholas were known for their remarkable contributions to art, architecture, and literature. The temples and structures they built still stand as a testament to their grandeur and vision, and later the Vijayanagara Empire. This empire, known for its military prowess and cultural achievements, left an indelible mark on the region. The ruins of forts and palaces from this era tell stories of battles fought and victories won. After India became independent, Chittoor was part of Madras state, a significant administrative region during the British colonial period. The transition from colonial rule to independence brought about many changes, shaping the modern identity of Chittoor, and then it became part of Andhra Pradesh. This state, known for its diverse culture and rich history, has embraced Chittoor as one of its important districts. The integration into Andhra Pradesh has further enriched the cultural tapestry of the city. The city's history is really fascinating. Visitors from all over the world come to explore its historical sites and learn about its past. Local guides and historians are always eager to share the stories and legends that have been passed down through generations. It shows how important it has always been. The historical monuments and ancient buildings scattered throughout the city are a testament to its enduring significance. Each structure has its own story, adding to the rich narrative of Chittoor. You can still see signs of its past. The old inscriptions and carvings on temple walls are like pages from a history book, offering insights into the lives and beliefs of the people who lived here centuries ago. Old temples and historical places are all around. These sacred sites are not just places of worship, but also repositories of art and culture. They attract pilgrims and history enthusiasts alike, each seeking to connect with the past in their own way. They remind us of times long ago. The intricate carvings and murals found in these temples are masterpieces of craftsmanship, reflecting the artistic excellence of the bygone eras. Stories of kings and empires are still whispered. The oral traditions and folklore of Chittoor keep the memories of its glorious past alive. Elders and storytellers play a crucial role in preserving and passing down these tales to the younger generations. The city's history is a big part of its culture. Festivals, dances, and other cultural events often draw inspiration from historical themes, celebrating the rich heritage of Chittoor. The past lives on in the present, making Chittoor a great place for people who love history. Whether you're a history buff, a cultural enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler, Chittoor offers a unique journey through time where every corner has a story to tell. Chittoor is often called the granary of Andhra Pradesh because it grows so much food. The land is very fertile. Farmers here grow lots of different crops like peanuts, tomatoes, and sunflowers. They also grow lots of citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. Farming is the most important part of Chittoor's economy. It gives jobs to many people. The city's markets are busy with farmers buying and selling. But Chittoor isn't just about farming. It's growing in other areas too, like textiles, cement, and cars. Chittoor is a mix of different cultures and traditions. Most people speak Telugu, but because it's close to Tamil Nadu, many people also speak and understand Tamil. The city is known for its different religions. Most people are Hindu, and Chittoor has many Hindu temples. People come from all over the country to visit them. One of the most famous is the Tirupati Balaji temple, about 70 kilometers from Chittoor. Millions of people visit it every year. Other religions are also important in Chittoor. There are Muslim and Christian communities, and they all live together peacefully, making the city's culture even richer. Festivals are a big part of life in Chittoor. People celebrate them with lots of excitement and happiness. These celebrations show the city's lively culture. Ugadi, the Telugu New Year, is one of the biggest festivals. It's the start of the Hindu calendar. People decorate their homes with mango leaves and colorful designs. Diwali, the festival of lights, is another big celebration. The city is lit up with lamps and lights, and fireworks fill the sky. Sankranti, a harvest festival, is celebrated with lots of energy. It's a time to thank the sun god for a good harvest. Chittoor has many historical sites, religious places, and beautiful scenery. People come from all over to visit. Nearby, Tirupati is a very popular pilgrimage destination. The Sri Venkateswara Swami temple is amazing to see. Srikalahasti, another town near Chittoor, is famous for the Sri Kalahasteswara Swami temple. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, it's known for its old architecture and religious importance. If you love nature, the Nagari Hills near Chittoor are a peaceful place to visit. They have temples, hiking trails, and amazing views. Chittoor is changing. It remembers its past, but it's also becoming modern. The city is a blend of the old and the new, where ancient temples stand alongside contemporary skyscrapers. This unique combination makes Chittoor a fascinating place to explore. As you walk through its streets, you can feel the pulse of a city that is proud of its heritage, yet eager to embrace the future. The city is growing quickly, but this growth brings challenges. The bustling streets are filled with the sounds of progress, from the honking of cars to the clatter of construction. New buildings are rising, and the population is increasing. However, with this rapid development come issues that need to be addressed. such as traffic congestion and the need for better infrastructure. Not enough water is a big problem. The area needs water for farming. The dry riverbeds tell a story of struggle, where farmers work tirelessly to cultivate their lands despite the scarcity of water. Agriculture is the backbone of Chittoor's economy, and without adequate water supply, the livelihoods of many are at risk. Innovative solutions are required to ensure sustainable water management. Saving water is important for the city's future. Efforts are being made to conserve this precious resource through rainwater harvesting and other water-saving techniques. These initiatives are crucial for the long-term sustainability of Chittoor, ensuring that future generations have access to the water they need. Another challenge is that the city depends too much on farming. While agriculture is vital, there is a need to diversify the economy. Relying heavily on farming makes the city vulnerable to changes in weather and market conditions. By encouraging other industries to set up in Chittoor, the city can create more job opportunities and reduce its dependence on agriculture. It needs more kinds of businesses to create more jobs. The establishment of industrial parks and office buildings is a step in the right direction. These developments can attract new businesses and investors, providing a boost to the local economy. Diversification is key to building a resilient and prosperous future for Chittoor. Even with these challenges, Chittoor has a bright future. The city is full of potential, with a vibrant community and a strategic location. As the sun sets over the cityscape, it symbolizes the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. Chittoor is ready to rise to the occasion and overcome the obstacles in its path. Its history, culture and location make it a good place for businesses to grow. The rich cultural heritage and historical landmarks attract tourists and entrepreneurs alike. The bustling markets are a testament to the city's dynamic spirit, where tradition meets modernity. Chittoor's strategic location also makes it an ideal hub for trade and commerce. Chittoor invites you to experience its special charm. From its scenic landscapes to its vibrant festivals, there is something for everyone. The city offers a unique blend of experiences that leave a lasting impression on visitors. Whether you're exploring its natural beauty or immersing yourself in its cultural events, Chittoor promises an unforgettable journey. Explore its history, see its lively culture, and discover its hidden treasures. The ancient temples stand as guardians of the past, while the cultural festivals bring the community together in celebration. There are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered, each with its own story to tell. Chittoor is a place where history comes alive and culture thrives. Chittoor will amaze you and give you memories you'll never forget. The panoramic views of the city are breathtaking, offering a glimpse into its diverse landscape. As you capture these moments, you'll find that Chittoor has a way of staying with you long after you've left. It's a city that leaves an indelible mark on your heart and mind.